Hello again, guys. Welcome back to the Trading Expert channel. Today, I wanted to talk about cryptocurrency trading and forex or futures or commodity trading, which is better. Cryptocurrency trading is very popular with retail traders. So I thought, let me share some of uh, the dangers of cryptocurrency trading in comparison to forex or futures trading. They all have dangers. They all have their good and bad. But the major bad about cryptocurrency trading is number one, the liquidity. The liquidity is so low that one guy with a lot of money can really mess up your trade or your setup. You may be looking at the chart and it's beautiful and resting on the support, and you think, oh, this is a good time to buy. The price is at discount. You make the likelihood of you making profit is high. But someone somewhere who wants to maybe dump the price to for whatever reason can move the price. They just need to have a few millions. It's so easy to do because the liquidity of the market is so low. A few days ago, the market like crashed so bad in just few minutes, and then immediately started bouncing up. During that crash, the crypto exchanges they made it they blocked uh, it was not possible to close your trade. They said their system were overrun by all the orders, so they had to freeze everything. So you had to sit there and get liquidated. A lot of people got liquidated just like that, and it doesn't take much to do that in crypto. But in the forex world, it's a market of over it's trillions of dollars being traded. You know, if you want to crash gold price or you want to crash the dollar against the pound, this you are talking about trillions. You are not talking about it's not easy to be done, but it's done. Like it has happened before. There was a time when some bankers, Citibank and some other guys, they were working together to um, manipulate rate and to affect forex prices. They were caught. They were investigated then by financial securities, but it had to take group of bankers to do this in the forex market. Now check it out in the crypto market. One guy can do it. What that is one of the disadvantage. The second disadvantage is that there's no regulators. Like if you have a broker now, if I'm using a broker, there's a broker I use. If the price, maybe I'm trading gold, and suddenly in their own broker, in their own firm, I'm looking at their chart. If the price goes to a certain level and bounce back up, if I look at other exchanges, other brokers, and I see that this did not happen, I can report them to financial authorities because they need to get licensed. They are regulated. They are answerable to financial authorities. They can get in trouble. So because of those things, they don't mess with price that much because they're also looking out for themselves. So, but in the forex market, in the crypto market, no one is uh, holding anybody accountable. It's like the wide west. Why is it called wide west? Yeah. So anything goes. And who are you going to hold accountable? Nobody. Like what happened a few days ago. People lose billions. Who are they going to hold? Nobody. Nobody. That's it. So if you check the liquidity, it doesn't make sense. And if you check the fact that it's not regulated, it doesn't make sense to be trading crypto. But you can invest in crypto. There are some good projects in crypto. Crypto, I think cryptocurrency, blockchain technology, which cryptocurrency is built on, is here to stay. Like when we start having all these Internet of Things, like smart devices where it is connected to the internet and can operate, and you can maybe pay using it, like maybe a driverless car. You can crypto can come in there because it's so secure. It's so difficult to hack the blockchain. It's so difficult and it's so transparent. People can see how much you pay to what, to who, and when. Everything is so transparent and it's secure. So it has its use cases, and so I will not say just ignore crypto. You can invest in it. You can be setting aside some amount of money and be buying. Like what cryptocurrency can you buy? Bitcoin is one, but it's so expensive. A lot of people might say Bitcoin is too expensive. What else can I buy? Do you know Telegram that you use, that you and I use, that millions, hundreds of millions of people in the world use Telegram. Do you know they have a cryptocurrency? They have. And the wallet is currently in your Telegram, but you may have not activated it, so you don't have. But some people have activated. But it may come to a time where cryptocurrency becomes a big thing, and if you were to invest in their cryptocurrency now by buying some and holding it, it's just like having a share in a company. Because if their cryptocurrency, if their blockchain is going to do well, it's going to reflect in the price in the future. If a lot of people start using it, that means they have to buy the ton coin so they can send it. And obviously, those that bought it earlier will do. The prices will go up. It will be good for you. So that's one way you can invest in it. But I think as to day trade it or to trade it or to swing trade it is very difficult because now there's no regulation. There's the liquidity is too low. One guy with a lot of money can really mess things up, and no one will be held accountable, and you could lose a lot of money, and it's just not worth it. So I think you should either focus, if you are just starting, you could focus on forex trading or futures or trading or commodities, stocks. Any of those ones is okay because they are regulated, and you could yeah, those are better. But there are some people that trade cryptocurrency who make money from it. They say there's so many ways to skin a cat, right? So I don't know how they do it, but they do it and it works for them as long and they are disciplined. They stick with what they are doing. It's good for them. For those people, they can continue. But for someone like you who don't know much about the market, I think just invest. Just find one or two or three good coins, buy them, keep it in your own wallet. You cannot even keep it in the exchanges because over time, over the years I've been in crypto, I've seen many exchanges blow out. Like they will say they were hacked, and then you cannot withdraw your money again. If your money was in the exchange, they were hacked, billions of dollars lost, or they may be caught involved in some shady things, and then the exchange will crash. So it's better when you buy those coins. Like let's say you buy Telegram coin, for example, you can put it in your own Telegram wallet in your app, so it's safe there. Yeah, and with the so yeah, I think that's the best way to do cryptocurrency. Invest in it, pick a few ones, invest in it, and just let it ride over time. That is the best way. But if you're going to trade, those some people trade it and they do well. Yeah, this is just my few cents, and yeah, see you guys on the next one.